Okay, I'm going to try to do this with one hand while I'm holding the camera, but you're just going to take your pencil and you're going to draw a circle where you want your drop to go. The simpler the pattern behind it, the better, especially when you're first starting. So I'm going to take my pen and I'm just going to draw some lines for this example. So you're going to stop right at the edge. Imagine where it's going to go. Come back out. Ooh, hard to do it with one hand, huh? And out. Okay. Alright, so then you're going to take your pencil. Let me find where I put my pencil. Here we go. Take your pencil. You're just going to kind of scribble out a little spot for that little highlight. And you can make that top a little darker so it'll kind of stand out. Sorry. Okay. Now you're just going to really lightly kind of just color in around that highlight. And then you're going to kind of color right down here in the middle. Make sure you leave some white on the opposite side of that highlight. So the white's going to go here, away from the highlight. And then away from the highlight, you're going to come down and you're going to make a nice dark shadow. I tend to leave the shadow kind of rounded because the drop is rounded. And then I take my paper stump and just kind of go around it, smooth it out around that highlight. Make sure you leave that white along the edge of your drop. Around in the circle there. And then down here at the bottom for the shadow. And then you paper stump it out so that the shadow grows in a rounded shape as well. And then take your pen again. And you don't want to write across the white and you don't want to touch the edge because of refraction. It's not going to touch. So you're going to leave just a little spot. Hold on, Kelsey. Stop right here. Go across like you would. And then leave a little edge right there. And kind of stop at the edge, go around, kind of right there. And don't worry if it don't perfectly lines up because, you know, the movement of light through water would refract anyways, so it would kind of move it out a little bit anyways, so it's okay if it doesn't look perfect. All right, thanks.